your subscribers. They will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just iPhone password, Wi-Fi password is correct, but it showed to you that it's not correct. So how you can also fix it. So first thing, just check your keyboard. So just check if you choose the right keyboard. If you choose right keyboard, just try to go to the settings. Just try to turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi. So another thing you can try, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to fix it in another way. So you can also just go to the general, just tap on software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And the latest option you can try, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.